Let's make this delicious goodness with very few ingredients. No flour, no sugar, and absolutely delicious. To a blender, add unsweetened desiccated coconut, melted butter, baking powder, dates. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Eggs, vanilla extract. Blend until you have a smooth consistency. Now transfer this batter into a greased baking pan and bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for around 20 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out dry. Remove from the heat, allow to cool, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.